Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol Ped. Now, way back at the end of October, I took delivery of my mini long-termer, the F66 JCW, and I honestly can't believe how time has flown, and sadly it goes back in 2 days' time. So I thought I should do a video to tell you just how I've got on and my final thoughts. And not just my final thoughts, because I'm not the only one that's been driving that car. Tracy has as well, and I've managed to negotiate a rate. She's going to be in this video. Now, this video is going to be a bit of a gun and run, but I thought I'd just walk around the car to point out a few things that I have spotted or liked since I have been running this car. I really like the styling of the F66 now. I know it was a little jarring for some, and I know also that modern minis are a little bit large for some. Up front, the main thing I think this car is missing is a bonnet scoop. It is a JCW, it should have a bonnet scoop. Whether it functions or not, that is not the point, but I really wish it had a bonnet scoop. I quite like the front end of the car. There's a big sensor there which kind of sits out a little bit, and you've got kind of almost like a false grille just there, but you don't really spot those from a distance. Moving around the side, I am not a fan of these particular wheels, the tuning fork wheels. There are a couple of wheel designs you can get for the modern Mini that just look so much better. I like the ones that look like the OZ Racing or Rally alloys. So I'm not a big fan of the wheels, but on the plus side, they are quite easy to clean, and unbelievably, I have literally just washed this car and it goes back in 2 days' time. That's how good journalist, influencer, content creator I am. I think it's the back of the car that is the discussion point for many, especially these lights. I actually really like it now. I like the fact that I like the fact it stands out from the previous generation, and I actually quite like the styling. They were jarring at first though. The JCW has a single exit exhaust, which I know many of you aren't fans of. My big issue with this is it's very difficult to tell, and I said this in the previous video, whether it's a JCW or not, although that big bumblebee's just flown right inside the exhaust pipe. Look, there you go, mate. Where's he going now, look? So yeah, I know the diffuser and the single exhaust, I think that's the challenge I have with this car. Isn't necessarily this JCW, it's the difference between the various models. But on the whole, I really like the exterior styling. And then on the inside, well, I'm a fan of the modern Mini. I'm a fan of the general layout. I don't like the big chunky steering wheel, but we'll talk a bit more about that when we get out and about with Tracy in a moment. So I've done my chores, I've washed the car, I've even had my hair cut today, although I think I went a little bit too mad with the hair. But now the most important thing of the weekend is we're off to play paddle, and on the way to playing paddle, I'm going to stick the cameras up in the car and we're going to have a chat, Tracy and I, about a long-termer, her thoughts. Would we buy one? That's the big question. We're both big Mini fans. We loved the Countryman JCW. Would we buy one of these? Oh no, you're stuck behind a truck now. You're going to have to do some overtaking.
It's fine. Truck's going quick enough. Don't know what you mean. It's a single carriageway road, baby.
I know. Well, guys, welcome back to the channel. Tracy, you graduated from being Mrs. Petrol Ped.
Don't know about that.
I've talked to your agent again. I've agreed your fee.
Excellent.
But everyone wants to hear from you anyway. They like it when you come on the channel. But this goes back in 2 days' time.
I know.
It's gone quick, hasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I said to you earlier, I thought we'd had the car for 6 months, because it does feel like it's been around for a long time.
I know, right? I know. So, let's hear what you think.
Well, I think it's I'm a big fan of Mini. Obviously, we had the Clubman for a while until it got broken.
Until you broke it.
And so having another Mini is great. I mean, it is like a little pocket rocket.
Should we put it in go-kart mode?
No, but it's a great. I mean, it's a great little run-around car. I think if you live in a town, or much like we do, kind of close to a city and village, it's great for just running around in. The boot's not massive,
No.
so if you go to the supermarket, you can't really fit more than 3 shoppings of bags in there. But you've got the back seat. I mean, for me, it's a 2-seater car. It's not a 4-seater car.
Okay. 2 plus 2.
Still 4 seats, unless I count.
Have you actually had anybody in the back?
No, you're joking, aren't you? Unless they were very tiny people.
Or didn't have any legs?
Yeah. So no, it's too small.
No, you have to. I mean, you'd probably just squeeze behind you, but if I'm driving, there's no way you're getting in the back.
No, it's not been designed for that, in my view. But I think it is a great little car, and be sad to see it go.
So okay, I'm gonna ask you some little bits, some technical bits. So
great.
I know it's good.
What?
It's good, isn't it?
You never mentioned that before.
Technology-wise,
Yeah.
how do you get on with the round screen and CarPlay and all that kind of jazz?
Yeah, I think the screen's perfectly fine. Again, it was like the Clubman, so no issues with it at all, really.
Right.
I mean, I think, you said to me the other day, your fog light's on. I've absolutely no idea how it got turned on, and it took me ages to work out how to turn it off. So if that's an indication of my technology awareness.
Finding out how to do anything in there. I mean, beep the horn, what's he doing? What is he doing?
Don't know. But I don't really want him reversing into a car we're just about to send back.
No,
Thanks.
make sure you're on. Okay. Gear selector.
Oh my God. So honestly, I got in my car and I've completely forgotten how to drive it. All I did was keep reaching for buttons in my car that aren't there. I like its simplicity. It's super easy. I'm confused by the fact I've got a key that I now need to put in the ignition.
Oh, what, in the McCann?
It's like, what's that for? But yeah, it's like when you walk up to the car, it unlocks itself. I know that's a first world problem, but speed bong, which I learned. I'm not supposed to say that. Very quickly had to turn off.
Yeah, you have to turn that off when you drive.
So.
But that's easy. There's just a button on the steering wheel.
Yeah, thank you, Peter.
Yeah.
I think it all round. It's a great little car.
And then you've done a couple of longer journeys driving in town, or London or something.
Yeah.
But it's quite comfy on a long run. I've done a couple of really long runs in it, and it's super comfy.
Yeah, I mean, I think probably an hour or so in the car's fine. I think it's got a quite low centre of gravity.
Yeah.
So Hallie doesn't really love it much.
Oh yes, Petrol Pup.
Petrol Pup doesn't love it much because
it is quite firmly sprung. What do you think of the ride?
Hazard reported ahead.
I think that
Life is full of obstacles.
Sorry,
it's how we overcome
my other
them that
girlfriend,
matters.
Christina.
I think that you get used to it, and by virtue of it being, a small car, you are going to feel that. So.
And minis are generally quite firm, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly. But
there's a red light. Look. Oh no. You're going to be okay.
If you're going to carry on being rude, I'm going to stop talking.
You're going to have enough patience to sit here at a red light. Now just do some breathing with me. Ready?
Are we done?
No, we're not done. No.
Okay.
People want to know all about you and the car. So how about its performance? Because we had the Clubman JCW, that was 4-wheel drive. We had the Countryman JCW, and that was 4-wheel drive. And this is front-wheel drive. So, and we've driven it through the winter when it's been.
Ooh, is it not 4-wheel drive?
Please tell me you're joking. You are joking. I know you're joking.
I'm joking.
But we've driven it through the winter, and we've had mega flooding near us. We haven't had that many really cold days with ice and stuff. But have you? Because I know you've always liked four-wheel drives. You had your two S4s; they were both quattro four-wheel drive. So you're a bit of a four-wheel drive girl, really.
Well, I kind of, for me, it feeling quite secure and safe is important. So that whole thing for me just makes me feel more secure and safe.
Yeah.
I think with this car, all joking aside, you do feel like you're closeted in this car.
Yeah. For a small car, it feels really solid, right?
Yeah, it does. And so, from that perspective, I think it's a really enjoyable car to drive.
Give it some
Hazard reported ahead.
When you've got it
Life
in
is full of obstacles. It's
wherever.
how we overcome them that matters.
I'm going to stop speaking. When you've got it in go-kart mode, which I haven't driven it in, and I can see you've just put it on.
Woohoo! It sounds, it makes a more noisy kind of sporty sound.
It might well do, but it also impacts the way the car drives.
Yeah, positively.
Not necessarily for me.
Oh.
I don't need it.
Okay.
It's much more loose as a car when it's in crazy mode.
Crazy mode.
So I'm quite happy with it in normal mode, thank you very much. So it means that you can put it back now.
Oh, okay, I'll put it back into core. That's your favourite, right?
Thank you.
Yeah. But it is, from a performance, because you do like quite quick cars, right?
I do.
Yeah. It's not lacking in performance, is it, for a small car?
No, you're joking. I mean, it's got, in some ways, more power than the four wheels that are on it. So, when I first got in it, there were a couple of interesting moments where there was a bit of a, ooh, okay, I didn't realise it did that.
Yeah.
The driveway up to Goodwood one morning was a bit icy, and I did my usual careful driving along that drive, and I had a little bit of a...
Oh, well, hold on.
This little bum did a little twiggle.
So when you say the driveway up that's the hill climb at Goodwood?
Yeah.
The one that they use at the Festival of Speed?
Yeah.
So you've been raring it up that and getting sideways?
No. I wouldn't quite say that.
I'm sure the Duke's not watching one of these films, it's fine.
I'm quite sure he has other things to do.
I bet he has. Now here's a question then. Would you buy one?
Yes.
Oh, well, didn't even have to think about that one.
Yeah. I mean, I think it's...
I don't think it's a primary car.
No, I think, as you've said already, for me, I like four-wheel drives, and I like slightly bigger boot for Halley and all of that. But I think if you were looking for either a second car, or if you lived in a town and it was your primary car, super easy to park. Yeah. And when you need to get a move on, it does that really, really well.
Yeah. Very good. So it's got a thumbs up. Are you going to give it a score out of 10? Oh, no, here's a question then. The Countryman or this?
Oh.
Because if I said Clubman, Countryman or this...
I'd say Clubman.
You'd say Charlie Clubman.
I'd probably say this.
Really?
Yeah, I think I'd probably say this car.
Over the country? Wow.
Yeah. They do different things, though.
They do. Clubman's kind of I know when we bought the McCann, it was Clubman or McCann was the...
Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, that you surprised me.
Well, I'm full of those.
Now, the question that everybody wants to know is, are you going to beat me at paddle?
Oh, that is definitely not the question they all want to know.
How much do you enjoy playing paddle?
Oh God, I absolutely love it.
It's the best thing ever.
I love it. I think it doesn't matter kind of how fit you are really, or how good you are, or how old you are. Everybody can play paddle.
Yeah.
And that's what I really like about it. When we first started playing, Richard, he won't be watching this.
Oh yeah.
90 years old.
90 years old as a dude plays paddle.
Whipping my ass playing paddle. And it's so inclusive.
Yeah.
I love it, and I think it's really social. You know, we've made a lot of new, lovely friends
Yep.
as a consequence of playing paddle.
Yeah, Spencer, you'll be watching this. Hello.
And it's a great way to kind of keep fit.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So we're off to play paddle now. Singles.
Yeah.
Bit of
An exhausting hour.
an exhausting hour indeed. So, massive thanks to Mini UK for giving us the opportunity to really put this car through its paces. I think when you live with a car for such a prolonged period of time, you really get to know it, and you really get to know the bits and bobs. My one bit of feedback, the Apple CarPlay integration in this is a little bit glitchy every now and again on Spotify for some reason. If you're listening to a podcast on Spotify and one of those announcements, you know, my Christina voice when that came up, if that comes up, a second after that comes up, Spotify pauses and won't start. You have to rewind it and start it again. It's weird, and it only does it in this car because I listen to Spotify in all of our cars, and it's the only one that does it. It's weird, and that's the only kind of glitch to that infotainment system that we've had. You've had a couple of where Waze hasn't shown, and you've had to do a reboot. But apart from that, it's been mega.
Yeah,
absolutely
great.
mega.
Yeah.
And we've averaged 32 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
It's not bad, especially with you
Sometimes
driving.
a bit more. Thank you.
I mean, that's really impressive.
Is this insult Tracy Greaves today?
No, not at all, baby.
Just
No,
thought I'd
baby.
ask.
Well, no, it's not. I love the way you drive. It's very positive. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very active.
Active, aggressive.
Active.
Okay. Guys, if you've enjoyed that, and if you want Tracy back on the channel to do, just let us know in the comments what you'd like. Maybe we'll do a Q&A again.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. But yeah, on a serious note, if you've enjoyed that, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol Ped for plenty more content to come. A very quick gun and run, but for this video, I suddenly thought, oh no, it goes back day after tomorrow. When am I going to give you my final thoughts? And it was today, before we played paddle. That was it. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. You take care, guys. Drive safe.
Bye, everyone.